John Brown here today with a clip about an article that has been circling around going on in Tennessee where a comptroller is to take over a majority black town called Mason, a town in Tennessee. There's 1,500 foundational black American folks that live here. And it's what's going on is there's an individual named Jason Mumpower. Jason Mumpower is the comptroller for Tennessee. A comptroller is a management level position responsible for supervising the quality of accounting and financial reporting of an organization. So what has happened here in the past with the city of Mason, is that they have had for almost nearly a century. I'm going to quote something here from the article. Rivers and other town officials have questioned why Mumpower or other state officials did not intervene before now. Mason, which still serves as home to descendants of free slaves, foundational black Americans, was led by white officials for more than a century. The town's first black mayor, Gwen Kilpatrick, assumed office in 2015 after allegations of fraud and mismanagement led to the resignation of nearly all city hall officials who were white at that time. This is of Mason City, Tennessee. Mason residents have elected black leaders ever since. Mason's current mayor, vice mayor, and 5 of its 6 aldermen are all foundational black American people. So now what's going on now is they're pretty much just coming in and they have hostilely taken over the financial sector of this town. And they're pretty much just claiming that the current officials have mismanaged the money of up to $500,000. And within doing so, this particular individual is going to come in and fix the scenario. A lot of people are very upset about this because of what this is. This is the I'm white and I say so in the hand of white supremacy. Now, a lot of people don't necessarily see it like that so quickly. That's because it's the unwritten rule of something that's going on. So here, what you have is a major financial system as well as corporations, which are all white-faced. They're all white-owned. And here they're coming into a majority black city and they are just taking it over. This is how it works. This is the example of white supremacy in a handbag, what they pretty much call the color of law. The Color of Law is also a really good book that explains how governments and corporations are allowed to come in through the real estate process and take land, and within taking land, they're able to control the local area. The local officials are not sure when the state government and the comptroller is going to give the reins back to the elected officials by the people within that local area. Right now, they're saying that this could be this way indefinitely. This also comes about because they're trying to build a new Ford Motor plant there for batteries and the electric vehicle thing that's going on here within the United States of America right now. How do we fix this particular issue here? My suggestion is that we need to get the Tennessee government and the comptroller to just give the power back to the local people. And now that it's been audited and known that there is an issue, allow and give them time to fix the financial issue and keep control of their local government by the local elected officials who represent and have value of and for the people of the local area. This guy has no idea what's going on here, and this could bring great damage to a large number of foundational black Americans. This needs to be put on Front Street, and we need to get this guy, Jason Mumpower, to back down from taking on this project and this position, as well as Ford Motor Company. We have to get them to get the plant somewhere else where it does not affect foundational black Americans. See, this needs to be in the same sense that they can't just go into a Native American land area and just start building Ford Motor Companies. When you have small towns like this that have a very rich historical content within this country, it should be a safe zone, and the people that live there should feel safe, and those generations should feel safe. This is all documented already. The thing that the Native American people have and why they have land is the same exact thing that foundational Black American people should have, but they don't. And this again is how the system of white supremacy works. Please read this article. The link will be in the description. Just a quick chat today about this particular article, bringing more awareness to the situation and the harm and damage that could potentially be done here to foundational Black Americans. Replacing white supremacy with the system of justice.